In part 2 of question B, we're asked to find the approximate value for 1.05 to the 5 using the information we found out in part 1. Well, we can see that the brackets 1 plus x over 2 to the power 5 and 1.05 to the power 5 are raised to the same power. So we could actually equate the 1 plus x over 2 to our 1.05. And then a better way of writing this would actually be 1 plus x over 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.05, and we can see the ones then in fact cancel, leaving us with x over 2 has to equal 0.05, and multiplying by 2 both sides gives us x must equal to 0.1. Now obviously this could have been done by inspection, just looking at the bracket and seeing that 1 plus 0.1 over 2 will be the same as 1.05, but it's always good to show you're working out. Now we know that x is equal to 0.1, we can substitute that into the first 4 terms we found in part 1. So we're going to get here 1 plus 5 lots of 0.1 over 2 plus 10 lots of 0.1 all squared over 4 plus 10 lots of 0.1 all cubed over 8. Getting to this stage, just expand everything out a little bit. 5 times 0.1 is obviously 0.5 over 2. 0.1 squared you should know is 0.01. Multiply that by 10 gives you 0.1 over 4. 0.1 cubed is 0.001. Multiply that by 10 gives you 0.01 over 8. Now all these look quite tricky, but actually they work out to be quite straightforward. For example, 0.5 over 2 is a half divided by a half, which you should know is a quarter. 0.1 over 4 looks like a quarter, but it's obviously 10 times smaller because it's 0.1. So that's going to be 0.025. And 0.01 over 8 looks like an eighth, but it's obviously 100 times smaller, which is going to be 0.00125. When you come to add all this together, we're going to get 1.276, which is an approximate answer to 1.05 to the power 5.